A biker cruises down an open road until suddenly he loses control and goes down. Watch closely and pay close attention to the white car. The biker crashed because he applied the throttle and leaned in at the same time. This is a recipe for disaster, and on top of that, he had worn tires and made poor line choices. Luckily, the rider was perfectly fine.
Holy oh my god.
In Istanbul, Turkey, a biker's crash showed the danger of being a rider at night. Thankfully, the rider walked away unharmed, but not everyone gets that lucky. If you ride after dark, make sure you're seeing. Reflective gear isn't just smart, it could save your life. In Miami, Florida, a BikeLyfe group member crashed while doing something which I do not promote. The police was chasing him, and what happened next is absolutely crazy. Do you think the action of the police was justified? Let me know in the comments below. A GSX-R and an Audi R8 were tearing through the winding back roads of Lime Creek, Texas. Everything seemed smooth until the Audi took a corner a little too hard. Luckily, none of them were injured, but his rental car was totaled. No matter how tempting the pace, don't push it on twisty roads, and always keep a safe distance. In Lombardia, Italy, a rider is making his way through the narrow streets when, out of nowhere, a car pulls out from the left. Always ride with caution in tight urban areas. Keep your speed in check and be ready for the unexpected.
Lo stop! Sto coglione!
In Shandong Province, China, a biker runs into trouble, highlighting exactly why it's safer to lane filter or stick to the right during heavy traffic. A group of riders in Brazil were cruising down the highway, but then an impatient maniac decided to bulldoze right through them.
Meu Deus! Segura, segura!
The biker was okay, and luckily for the rest of the group, the car could not escape. The driver should have been more patient, but to avoid these kinds of situations, just let the cars go through.
Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí suave! Fica aí suave! Fica aí, caralho! Fica aí, filho da puta!
In Dallas, Texas, a biker had a terrifying close call. It made him pull over and sit in silence for a long time. The car was at fault for crossing a solid line, but the rider stayed defensive. He scanned ahead, and that made all the difference. And by simply reducing your speed, you gain even more control over your bike.
I can't believe I'm on the bike right now. I don't know how I saved that. I thought you were going down.
In Panama City, Florida, two riders were out enjoying a ride when one decided to do a rolling burnout. But things took a turn. He accidentally grabbed the front brake and ended up on the pavement. His friend couldn't avoid him in time. He clipped his shoe and went down as well. Luckily, both riders were okay, as confirmed in the comments. It was a reckless move, and I don't promote it. The uploader later admitted in the commentary that he didn't support what his friend did.
Hey guys, I'm good. Meet up on the left.
This biker is going to confront a predator. Do you think the biker reacted in the right way, or would you have handled it differently? Let me know in the comments below. It's better to get proof on the suspect, especially in such countries. He will get his punishment in prison. Don't play too much the vigilante. In Piauí, Brazil, a rider on a 1,200 kilometers journey ignored a clear stop sign, putting himself at serious risk.
Aí o famoso jockey, onde os barão moram.
Not only did he ignore a clear stop sign, he also overtook cars on the right. A reckless move that puts him squarely in the blind spot of turning vehicles. Stop signs aren't just suggestions, they're there to keep you alive. Along the scenic coast of Mendocino, California, one reckless brake check turns a peaceful ride into a road rage.
Get off my car. Get off my car. Really?
What are you gonna do? Helmet on.
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that. Motorcycle drive up. I'm a boy fight your man. Boy, you're on dash cam. You're on dash cam.
Oh, I'm on dash cam?
Yeah, you're on dash cam. Bro. Dash cam.
No matter who's at fault, it's always smarter to stay calm and avoid road rage. In Punjab, India, a group of bikers set out for a ride, but things went sideways when they ended up crashing into each other. This is a perfect example of why you should never make sudden moves during a group ride, and why you shouldn't be riding on the wrong side of the road either. Luckily for them, they are okay, only their bikes sustained damages. In Chicago, Illinois, this electric unicycle rider caught an intense police chase on camera. Luckily for us, he could talk with both of them.
It's going down, y'all. It's going down. Brother, come on! Oh! Don't give up. You better keep going. Don't give up. Take a look like you stealing some shit. That's what it looked like. He's still behind you. Let's see how this turned out. You got any predictions on how this gonna turn out? I ain't gonna take a I feel you on that. You think they gonna catch you? I didn't take that. Then why you chasing me? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm riding this. It's kind of hard to ride. You almost there, kid. I just don't want him trying to rape me. Rape you is crazy. Look, when he not looking, just take off and grab him. My boy said he got a doo-doo. He was stealing that, wasn't he? Oh, yeah. Just let my boy go. Act like you ain't catch him. Come on, man. No black on black crime over here.
In the state of Texas, a biker saw crash debris and feared it was one of his friends, but when he turned around on a one-way street, he met another lost rider. The rider gives a short explanation of the incident.
And I didn't know. I had no idea that there was some freaking squid following me up the wrong way on a one-way street. So I lock up my brake, do this, and kablam! Anyway, so watch the video.
Both riders were fine, but who do you think was at fault here? The biker making a U-turn on a one-way street, or the one speeding the wrong way down on it? Let me know in the comments below.
Yeah, so that happened. I finally got a hold of the guy, talked to the guy. The guy says it's my fault.
I do have a firearm on me.
Top of your head, turn around. The top of your head now!
These four bikers were pulled over for speeding, but they claimed the traffic stop quickly turned into a violation of their rights.
I didn't see him at all.
driver's license for me and your proof of insurance for your vehicle, please.
Sir, I do have a firearm on me.
Top of your head, turn around. Hands on top of your head now. Hands on top of your head now. On top of your head. And keep them there.
I do have a concealed carry permit.
Unlock your fingers. Do you have any other weapons on you, sir?
No, sir.
No other ones?
No, sir.
What's in your bag here? Camera?
Yeah, it should be a camera in my wallet.
Okay. Hands down. Step over here, ma'am. Face me. Face me. Hands down. Pull your shirt up. Turn around. Okay. Stand next to him. Ma'am. Over here. Turn around. Face that way. Keep your hands on top of your head. Turn around. Lift the shirt up. Turn around. Okay, stand over there with them. Stand up. Step over here, sir. Stand over there with them. Hands on top of your head, please. Give me that phone. Hands on top of your head. On top. The biker claimed he was searched illegally and that the officer had no right to take his firearm. According to him, all he did was speed. Yet somehow, the cop ended up pointing a gun at his back. What do you think? Were their rights actually violated? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Do you think they called it in?
He called another unit.
Turn around.